This is 235 South Warman. It's close, but need to do a few more things. Around the trim here, around the door, want to paint that white. Same thing with the trim over here. I want to paint these steps white right here. These can be painted gray, these steps here. These, this concrete here, this right here, and this right here can be painted white. Also, these pillars can be painted all white. All three of these pillars right here can be painted white. If you can get on the top roof, I would paint this trim white, and then I would paint this little square thing here white. Also, there's window trim around the sides and back, and I think the back doors need to be painted with white trim as well.